Security analysis. What is security analysis? Meaning and approach of security analysis. What security analysis involves systematic analysis of price of security so that the investor can take decision regarding purchase and sale of security. So the security analysis usually it's for the investor. So they can buy the security. If I hold it, is to hold it or I can sell it. Two approaches used to carry out the security analysis of fundamental analysis and technical analysis. What is fundamental analysis? So we see the share, we use ratios, we see the returns, balance sheet, P&L, cash flow, and other data which is available in the annual return and annual or statement given by the company. We read that, we come to the conclusion. That is fundamental analysis. What is technical analysis? That we go to see what is the purchase, what is the current market average purchase rate. We do candle method, other formulas. In the price, we found something that is technical analysis.